Hello everyone. In today's module, we are going to study aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. A nucleophilic aromatic substitution is a substitution reaction in organic chemistry in which the nucleophile displaces a good leaving group such as halide on an aromatic ring is called aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophile displaces good leaving group on an aromatic ring. In that, first we have to study SNAR mechanism, that is substitution nucleophilic aromatic mechanism. Aromatic nucleophilic substitution with aryl halides occur when strong electron withdrawing groups are at ortho or para position. In this reaction, we can see this X indicating it is a leaving group such as halide ions, electron withdrawing group, and this Y minus acts as a nucleophile. When the reaction carried out, this Y minus, that is nucleophile, displaces this halide ion or the leaving group and takes up its position, leads to the generation of SNAR mechanism. Let's understand this reaction by its mechanism. Basically, SNAR mechanism follows addition elimination mechanism, where the nucleophile in the first step attacks the center to which the leaving group is attached. That is, it involves ipso substitution reaction. Basically, ipso substitution is the substitution in which nucleophile approaches the position of the leaving group carbon, so that this Y minus attacks at the carbon bearing leaving group, leads to the generation of these resonating structures in this Y minus requires electron deficient species. Therefore, this pi bond collapse to generate here negative charge and here positive charge. Therefore, the carbon bearing leaving group acquiring a positive charge can be attacked by the nucleophilic center and leads to the generation of this tetrahedral intermediate. We can see here this carbon having sp3 hybridization, so it involves generation of sp tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, whereas this negative charge generated over here can be stabilized by resonating structure, also by the electron withdrawing group. Therefore, stable intermediate R can be generated. Now that intermediate in a fast manner removes the halide ion or the leaving group to regain its aromaticity and to get nucleophilic substitution reaction in aromatics. Example here is a reaction between 2,4,6 trinitrophenol and methoxide ion. This methoxide ion attacks at the carbon bearing leaving group, that is ethoxy carbon. This will lead to the generation of resonating structures. This is the tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, Negative charge generated over this carbon can be stabilized on the benzene ring as well as by these three nitro, that is electron withdrawing groups. So the intermediate generated are called Meisen-Hammer, Jackson salt. So the intermediate generated or the resonating structure generated are termed as Meisen-Hammer Jackson salt. Many of its intermediate can be isolated. Okay. Then in the last step, removal of this leaving group leads to the generation of this nucleophilic substitution reaction. To carry out this reaction, substrate must contain strong electron withdrawing group such as nitro group at ortho or para position. Also, in case of aryl halides, reactivity is in the order of fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. The more electronegative halogen group will increases the rate of formation of cyclohexadienyl anion, that will increases the rate of reaction. Next substitution reaction is ipso substitution. It is similar to SN-AR mechanism, just the difference that it doesn't having any electron withdrawing or any activating group. Just the condition for this reaction is it requires a very good leaving group. Understand? The carbon of aromatic ring bearing the substituent is called ipso carbon. The carbon of aromatic ring bearing substituent is called ipso carbon. In some cases, electrophile may add to the ipso carbon. Departure of the substituent which was already present results in the ipso substitution product. Departure of the substituent which was already present is called ipso substitution product. So in this reaction we are going to add electrophilic attack or electrophilic substitution reaction. Also, this reaction is carried out by addition elimination mechanism. So in acidic condition, this H plus can be attacked by the pi bond or pi electrons, leads to the generation of positive charge at the ortho position that can be stabilized by resonance. Then hydrolysis as well as the carbocation can be stable, leads to the removal of tertiary butyl CMe3 carbocation that can be attacked by the nucleophile such as weak nucleophile to give tertiary butanol. Also, removal of this tertiary butyl carbocation will generate negative charge at the ipso carbon. Meanwhile, there is a generation of positive charge can be stabilized to get aromaticity. By this way, we can see ipso substitution or ipso electrophilic substitution reaction. Here is the mechanism which I have discussed already. Removal of, not in that manner, the removal of this carbocation generate negative charge at this position and positive charge over here. You can observe this positive charge at this position, okay, that can stabilize. Negative positive neutralize and generate a double bond here, leads to the generation of benzene. This is the example. This trimethylsilane is also a very good leaving group. Undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, leads to the generation of this tetrahedral intermediate. Then elimination of this trimethylsilane will lead to the generation of negative charge at this ipso carbon and generate here a benzene as a product. Meanwhile, nucleophile attack the stable trimethylsilyl carbocation and attack this to form this product. Next reaction, SN1 reaction in aromatics. SN1 reaction in aromatics. This type of reaction occur with diazonium salt, not with benzene halides or aryl halides. In this mechanism, carbocation is formed as an intermediate and then nucleophile attacks on the carbocation and gives the corresponding phenol or the products. Okay, so the reaction is metanitroaniline. Okay, basically it also requires activating group such as electron withdrawing group. The reaction is carried out in presence of NaNO2 and HCl, that is generate HNO2, that is the nitrous acid, which is diazonium salt generating acid. It removes these two protons and will lead to the generation of water molecule along with NaCl, and here is the diazonium salt will be carried out by the diazotization process. Then reaction with nucleophiles such as water leads to the generation of metanitrophenol as a product. Basically, phenols are obtained by this type of reaction. Let's understand this reaction by its mechanism. In the step 1, formation of diazonium salt will be carried out. For this, there is a requirement of this NaNO2, that is sodium nitrate, as well as HCl will lead to the generation of HNO2, that leads to the generation of the diazonium salt by the removal of subsequent loss of water molecule and NaCl. Now This positive charge on the nitrogen can be stabilized by the removal of N2 gas and generate positive charge on the benzene ring. That is, here is the generation of carbocation, which is generally observed in SN1 type of reaction. Now, this carbocation can undergo attack by the nucleophile, as in SN1 reaction there is no strong nucleophile is required, so that water molecule can also attack at the carbocation center, that will leads to the generation of oxonium oxonium ion, which on removal of H plus ion leads to the generation of metanitrophenol as a product. That's all.